Hey guys, welcome to the 5th installment, number 5 of the Geettoo Goremaaay. We're going to be doing some crazy shit with our unofficial sponsor, Crazy Mountain Brewing. Lawyers, guns, and money, beer can chicken. We're going to put this in this chicken's ass and barbecue it outside, you guys. Are you ready for this edition of Geettoo Goremaaay? It's going to be wicked awesome. Here's how you do it. We got all the ingredients right here. We got our nice chicken. Actually, I'm going to go open this over the sink with this chicken. All right, you guys. We're just going to use our trusty kitchen scissors. Pull this chicken out of the plastic. You can't cook the damn chicken in plastic. We're going to make a little alterations right here. We're going to pull this shit out. Alright, all this extra stuff right here, we're going to cut it off with those scissors too, alright? We just want to trim this chicken skin a little bit back because we want that beer to flow through real sharp like, you know what I mean? Alright, you guys, here's the bad part right here. You got to take all this mess out too. You know what I mean? And get that chicken ready for the beer can. Unofficially sponsored by Nicolo's Pizza also. You gotta rinse the chicken real good. Hot water. Get all the salmonellas off of it and all that jazz. You know what I mean? Just wash it real good. You know, wash your hands good, wash the chicken good. Alright, you guys, this is what you do next. You bring it back over here. And this is how you're gonna get it ready. Maybe even get a little paper towel, dab that water off, dry a little booty, a little chicken booty, because it's going to be taking this whole beer can in a second. Now usually you put the oil in the inside of the hole, but this time you put it on the outside of the bird, alright? And this is just to get some of that spice, that pepper, that red chili powder to stick on this son of a gun right here. We're going to oil it up real nice though, alright you guys? Just like the Romans used to do before they wrestled.
Go.
Alright, we got it all oiled up. Hey Batman, I need some help over here. Batman, could you assist me? I need some black pepper to rub on this bird. Just dump some on there, brother. I'll rub it in, alright? Now we need some of that special Nicolo's red chili powder right there. Thank you, Nicolo's. You're the best, son of a gun. Heck yeah. This Crazy Mountain beer can chicken is gonna be delicious. Hey, thanks for your assistance, Batman. Hey, tall guy, you didn't drink all them beers. Here, open that beer, take a big slam. We're gonna shove it up the can of this chicken. All right, here we go. Time for the beer can. Oh, yeah, that fit right in there, nice and snug. Perfect. Perfect. All right, you guys. This is ready to go. We're going to go get the grill fired up, and then we're going to put this bird on indirect heat on the grill. All right, I'll show you that in 1 second. Let me wash my hands. All right, you guys, we're out here at the grill. We got to do this on indirect heat for about 45 minutes. So we're going to set the left side of the grill to almost high. And then we're going to set our chicken on the right-hand side of the grill with the beer can in it. And we're going to rotate it like this, real sharp, you know, on the thing. And then we're just going to spin it around. And then the indirect heat is what's going to cook it when we close the lid. All right. See, we're going to spin it around about every 5, 10, 12, 24 minutes. All right, you guys? We'll be back out to spin this chicken around. See how that beer is boiling over. Lawyers, guns, and money. Thank you, Crazy Mountain Brewing. All right, we got the breast browned up real nice. Now we're just gonna spin it around. That beer is bubbling in there. We're gonna spin it around, and we're actually gonna scoot it a little bit more towards the heat. That way that beer in there starts to bubble and just gets the whole chicken. All right, you guys. It's nice and crispy on the outside. The beer's been boiling on the inside. But we're still, when we take it off, we're gonna pour the beer that's got all the ooey gooey goodness of the chicken and the chili pepper. We're gonna pour that all over the chili, or all over the bird again. So hopefully this doesn't, oh man. 1, 2, 3. Ah, ha, ha. That's how you do it. Do it fast, all right, suckers? All right. Oh man, there ain't even that much beer in there anyways, you guys. We're just gonna pour that beer, and then we're gonna put the chicken into the scotch. All right, we read the indirections on the fucking scalloped potatoes. Really easy. They're done. We're about to plate this. Thank you again, our unofficial sponsor, Crazy Mountain Brewing. Thank you for the Lawyers, Guns, and Money. This is gonna be a dope ass beer can chicken. Check it out, tall guy. Get a close look on this. We're about to cut this sucker up right now. Watch, check this shit out. Juicy chicken, delicious. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And it's juicy, man. We're gonna give this piece to Batman. Give him a leg too, all right? Heck yeah. Uh-oh, the leg fell apart. It's all good, it's still all there. A little bit of scalloped potatoes. Delish. The Geettoo Gourmet strikes again. Squeeze, squeeze.